GoodNotes, you'll see where there's this plus sign here, new. So you would click on that and then download the tracker into GoodNotes. Or if you open up from your email, you can open with GoodNotes after you've already installed it. So let's click on this one. So once you open it up, if you see that you have these options here to write, erase text, go up to the corner where you see the three dots. Next to that, there is the cross that looks like two pens crossed. If you click on that, that'll get you to where you can click on the planner. So if you click on this January tab, it'll go to January. When you're in January, if you click on 1, it'll go to the first date. So let's go back to January and let's click on the 13th and we'll go to the 13th. Once you're on the date you want to write something on, you click at the top where it has a little pencil with the circle, and then you click on the pen. You can zoom in, which is easier if you're using a stylus to write on. So then you can write the name of the reach out that you want to reach out to. So you can then write with your stylus or your iPad pen. Or you can click over here where it has the T. If you go over from the pen on the top, you go over where you see the T, that's text, then you'll be able to click in there and type in somebody's name as well. So if you have a keyboard, it's pretty easy to do it that way. All right. So then if we close it back up, we go back out. When you're on any page, you can go to any month on the side. You can click on May, for example, and then you can write your monthly goals here.